Welcome everyone, welcome to Importation Business course. My name is Mbonu from Africa, Nigeria. Live on this course, I'm going to cover importation business, okay? How you can import your product and goods live from China, okay? There's a working thread on this course published live at africachoice.com. So you can quickly head to africachoice.com for more incentive. They are the one sponsoring this course. Okay, so as you can see, how to import from China, mini importation business training. Okay, so first of all, before you start importation business from China, there are some basic requirements you need to have. So let's return back at africachoice.com and click on the thread importation from China mini importation business course. So just give it a click to get list of the requirements we need. Okay, so they are basic for reputation's sake, because repetition has always been the mother of learning. As you can see, basic requirements needed to start mini importation business. Number one is branding. Okay, now when you talk of branding, you can start mini importation with your name, provided you have your country ID card, okay, or international passport. You're good to go. Okay, but best to make your business more profound, more legit, more legal, is important that you register or incorporate your business with LLC in what? In US, or depending on the country you are listening to me, you are watching this video course, like here in West Africa, Nigeria, you can incorporate, you can register your business with Corporate Affairs Commission. We also have a step-by-step how to do that. Okay, as you can see, how to register a business name in Nigeria with CAC. We also have a step-by-step how to open LLC in US, as well have a USA bank account. Okay, so this is the ebook guide on how to register business in what? In Nigeria. Then this is step by step how to do what? Incorporate your business with what? LLC in USA. Are you getting it? So they are both very, very important. Okay, so why is it important? It's important because one of the sites we recommended, being Alibaba, requires your business details, your incorporated business details. Okay, so that is it. Why AliExpress does not require that? Likewise 1688.com, which are the three main sites we are recommending to you guys live on this course, how to import from China mini importation business course. So back again on our slide, those are the what? Requirements. I have also said something about the three websites. The number one is AliExpress. The second one is Alibaba, which is the mother of them all. And the third one is what? 1688.com. To sign up on any of these sites, those requirements I mentioned are very, very vital. Okay, so back here on the requirement. Okay, I said one, have a country ID card or business incorporated document, have a financial budget. Okay, you need to be on budget. It depends. I cannot tell you so amount you need to have to start your mini importation business. Why I have a recommendation, maybe something of $150, depending on the country you're hearing me, because live on some of these websites, you will see some products you can buy for less than $1. Yes, they are. okay, and even sell for $3 in your country, okay, making 2x or 3x profits. The same thing with Alibaba, the same thing with 1688.com. okay, so on budget, you need to be on budget. Have an active email address is very, very important. Then have a business niche in mind, the type of product and goods you want to import. If you head to aliexpress.com, there are so many types of products. As you can see, so many types of products. Are you seeing them? Okay, so you can do import. The same thing applies to Alibaba. Okay, so many types of products. Are you seeing them? So many types of categories, product categories you can import. Okay, so have the type of product in mind you want to do go into. Okay, so have a working payment card, including the virtual card, possible $1 card, because one of the best currency that is acceptable worldwide is USD, US dollar. Okay, of course you can look at item from you can even search for item for less than $2. okay, so likewise here, so one of the working payment currency is US dollar. Okay, so it's very much advisable that you have a dollar card. Okay, although I will show you virtual cards you can use to do to purchase your goods live from AliExpress, live from Alibaba, live from 1680.com. okay, you can convert your local currency to US dollar. You can even convert it to China currency and do pay for your goods and product and have them imported, delivered to your country home. Okay, so be determined. You need determination to excel in this business. Likewise, you need patience. Okay, they are very, very important. Okay, so these are the basic one. So now to proceed to getting started with your mini importation, you need to visit alibaba.com. okay, you need to visit alibaba.com. Take your time to go through the sites because this is the mother of them all. Okay, you also need to visit AliExpress. Take your time to go through them. Okay, so this is starter friendly, very good. It is starter friendly. You also need to go through 1680.com. Why I take my time to explain their differences? Okay, Alibaba.com and AliExpress is owned by one company, which is Alibaba Group, and both platforms have run together for over 2 decades. That is 20 years plus. Okay, so why the purpose of launching Alibaba is to give China manufacturers a platform where they can sell their product and goods to the entire world. Here they sell in large scale. They don't sell in retails. Okay, they sell in large scale. So that was the idea. But lately, some sellers here at Alibaba.com are also selling in retails. But the purpose is for them to sell in large scales. And here is the key. When you buy product, let's say 2024 pieces, okay, the price of 24 pieces is a bit lower compared to someone buying a specific product on 1 dozen 12 pieces or half dozen 6 pieces. So that is the advantage. The higher product pieces, dozens you buy from Alibaba, the more you will have reduction in price when compared to AliExpress. Okay, why in AliExpress you can buy just in retail, you can buy just a single product, you can buy 2 products. Okay, you can also do that at Alibaba.com when you communicate effectively with the seller, with the manufacturer. Sometimes if it is a product you have not imported or you have not tested, or a seller you have not bought from before or tested, you can communicate with him or she, and of course you let them know that what you need now is just 2 pair or 3 pieces of the item for sampling. Of course they will listen to you. They don't understand the language of sampling or testing. They will say to you just 2 or 3 pieces. They will send it to your country home. You will test it. If the product is okay, if the product is good to go, of course you can return back and buy them in dozen, in larger pieces like 12, 24, 36, etc., 30 or piece or 50 or 100 pieces. Okay, so the same thing applies on AliExpress. Okay, why AliExpress is user friendly? Because to sign up with AliExpress, your business document, your incorporated business or company details is not needed. So to get started, just go to aliexpress.com, go to what? Register, and click on register. Okay, so that is the first step. You need an active email address. Let's say sample at gmail.com. This is a sample. This is just a fake email address. Okay, so once you enter an active email address, this continue button will be active. You can click it and you can proceed from there. The same thing applies to Alibaba. You can go to Alibaba, then click on what? Sign up. Okay, these are steps towards creating your account with, be it aliexpress.com or alibaba.com. Later on this course, we are coming to 1680.com. Okay, so when you are at Alibaba, depending on the country you are browsing from, it will smartly pick it. As you can see, it has picked my own country, which happens to be what? Nigeria. West Africa, Nigeria. So here you need to indicate your trade rule. Are you coming as a buyer or a seller or both? Okay, of course you're coming as a buyer. You want to buy from China manufacturers live from alibaba.com. So here you have to supply them your email address, which is mandatory. You have to confirm your password. You have to confirm your password. You have to enter your business name, which is mandatory. Reason why I recommend you going through this thread step by step, how to do what? Open an LLC in US, how to cooperate your business with LLC in US, or best, if you're hearing my voice from Africa, Nigeria, you can go through this report. Okay, how to register your business name in Nigeria. It's easy, it's simple, it's budget friendly. Okay, so that is it. So to incorporate your business in US is not mandatory. Of course, there are other countries you can incorporate your business, even though that you are not a citizen or you are not a resident to that country. You can chat me up live at africachoice.com. Okay, I personally, Mbonu Waxing, you can chat me up, you can create your account and chat me up. Let me know the country you're watching this video from. Okay, if you're watching from YouTube, you can comment on the comment section. Let me know the country you are watching this video from. If we have a step-by-step guide how to incorporate your business in your country, of course we will send that to you. Okay, meanwhile you can incorporate your business in UK even though you're not from United Kingdom. All these things are possible. There are several countries where you can incorporate your business as a non-resident and non-citizen. It's working, it's 100% possible. So, and I believe you should know that. Okay, so don't allow anything to limit you. If you don't have a registered business, an incorporated business, of course you can get started with AliExpress while you work on incorporating your business. The more you import goods in small scales, the more you sell and make profit, the more you budget more money to move to alibaba.com and start buying in larger scales like 20 pieces, 50 pieces, 100 pieces, etc. So I believe someone is getting it. So company name, you enter your company name, you enter your full names, your first and last name. They are very, very mandatory. Okay, then you enter your words, your telephone number, you pick your area code. Okay, then you verify that you are a human by sliding this. Okay, then you check this free membership agreement button, you check it, then you click on agree and register. An activation message will be sent to your email inbox, whether you're registering with aliexpress.com or alibaba.com, and a confirmation message will be sent to your email. So go to your email and confirm it. If you can't find the message on your inbox, of course, proceed to your spam folder. Sometimes it does happen, it might get to your spam folder. Then go to your spam folder, move it to your inbox and confirm the message. Then whitelist the mailer, because oftentimes you will be getting message from Alibaba or AliExpress. Once you placed your order and your product is shipped, of course, any message you're getting from them is very, very, very important. Not just them, as well when you are communicating, building rapport with seller, with manufacturer, messages, notification you'll be getting from both platform Alibaba and AliExpress is very, very important. Reason why you should whitelist their mailer so it will not hit or get to the spam folder. I don't know if someone is following. Yes, I believe someone is following. So that is it. Sign up. First, I would like you to take a break on this course, but before you do that, go to africachoice.com and go through this thread, read it. After reading it, take your time and visit alibaba.com and aliexpress.com. Visit alibaba.com and aliexpress.com and create your free account, your buyer free account. It is 100% free. So go now and do that so that you'll be on the same page. I will pause this video. I already have an account with them, but I will still create a new account, or possible I will log into my account. So that is what I will do. But first, let me pause this video. Let's go on break and continue on the next video session. Thank you so much. I remember my humble self, Mbonu from Africa, West Africa, Nigeria, and you're getting this courtesy of africachoice.com. Thank you as we proceed to the next video.